Alright, YouTubers, out there's DMC here again. I've shut my front yard light off so we can hopefully get a better view of that lightning. Oh, yeah, baby, there we go. Wow. I'll try turning to my right a little bit. See if I can get a few flashes from this direction. Oh, there's a little one. Yeah. My Aunt Kay is a meteorologist, and I'm actually not sure if this actually would qualify as heat lightning, which in her meteorological dictionary is pretty much lightning that's too far away for its thunder to even be heard. So, ooh, baby, there, go right there. Wow. Awesome. So, while I'm doing this, I'm going to actually reiterate a little bit about lightning safety. Lightning is pretty dangerous. 5 times the heat of the surface of the sun. So, when there's a storm in the area, your best bet is a hardtop car with the windows up for shelter. Because lightning can sometimes reach into the house via the electrical lines, cable, plumbing, whatever. And if you're outside and you see lightning, you start counting by the second, and the 1, and the 2, and the 3, and so on, until you hear the thunder. Divide the number by 5, and you see how far away that particular bolt of lightning struck. Typically for lightning safety, they like to preach what's called the 30-30 rule. If it's 30 seconds flash to bang, you're in danger. Get the heck inside. And then stay in shelter until 30 minutes after the last bang. So, that's the 30-30 rule. 30 seconds flash to bang, 30 minutes after the last bang. When the thunder roars, go indoors. At the moment, this is seeming ironic because I'm not hearing any thunder roaring, even though we're clearly seeing quite a lot of lightning. Lightning can actually strike up to 10 miles away ahead of the storm. These types of lightning flashes are called bolts from the blue. Up to 10 miles away. Unbelievable. Ooh. So, might be out here for a little while longer. This is really something.